Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to upload a 3-minute video on YouTube. If you'd like to upload a YouTube short that's up to 3 minutes long, here's how you can do it. First, make sure you have the YouTube Studio app installed on your device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, simply search for YouTube Studio in the App Store or Google Play Store and install the app. Once it's installed, open YouTube Studio and sign into your YouTube account. After you're signed in, head over to the Content tab. Tap the plus icon to start uploading your video. Now, if you're uploading a YouTube short that's longer than 60 seconds but still under 3 minutes, you can go to the Shorts tab first, then tap the plus icon. From here, you'll be able to choose your video. It's important to note that YouTube doesn't currently support 3-minute videos in the Shorts format. If your video exceeds the usual 60-second limit for Shorts, it will be treated as a regular YouTube video, not a short. So, if you're uploading a 3-minute video, it will appear as a normal YouTube video, not a short. That's it for today's guide. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.